called Padamlagan. Padamlagan.
Padamlagan. Tungkol saan din?
It's a story about the Peña Francia disaster in Naga City. It's a period drama set in 1972.
Wow!
It
Hindi
has
ka
an all Bicolano cast, almost all Bicolano crew. So it's a real Bicolano production.
You're Bicolano ka ba, Eddie?
Yeah.
Oo, alam mo naman iba.
I was born in Naga, raised in Naga.
Naga.
Yeah.
So, Peña Francia, ano ka rin?
Peña Francia, it's about Peña Francia disaster. The Colgante Bridge disaster.
So, hindi ka kakanta dito sa...
No, it's not a musical.
What made you say to the project?
Mainly because yun nga, it's about
Greetings of
legal
and welcome
experience.
to the press
I wanted to
conference of
contribute
Cinemalaya 21.
to
Please
an
welcome
all Bicolano
our host,
production.
the Vice President and Artistic Director.
At ang FTC. You accepted this project? Ano parang busy ka and ano parang you
Well,
accepted it?
if it's film, I'm definitely going to consider it because I've always loved film.
Kasi sa mga challenges ko, yung access doon sa character kasi yung pagpapaalam doon sa mga daming operas na kailangan daanan para makapagpasok ng camera sa loob ng kulungan. Kaya yun na sa
Consider a film project, either acting or writing or directing.
I think generally yung challenge
Or what with the movie that you said yes?
is I'm casting all
Ano po yung meron sa
friends,
pelikula na
actors,
tayo to?
most of them it's
Mostly
their first
the
time.
story.
Yung lived experiences kasi ng Trans Pinay yung kinukwento. So it could be traumatic to most of them. Or at least mga nakilala nila sa
Naga
buhay nila.
City, and I was born
it's a
in Naga
sensitive,
City.
most of the time we mount the scenes talagang sensitive
parang
because
return to my
yun,
roots. So
totoong
that's why I
experiences siya
accepted
ng
the
Trans
project.
Pinay. So,
May naisip ka parang
I think
gumawa ng
buong pelikula
kanta
kasi,
or team song?
talks
Kasi
about
before
cancer
gumawa
is
naman kayo for
yun
What
lang
If,
po yung
di ba?
masasabi.
For this movie.
The producers naman,
Ay, for open ending, siguro yung unang challenge is to make sure na may chemistry yung apat because at the end of the day, it's a friendship film. But good thing din na magagaling yung apat na leads, so napadali nila yung buhay namin. Another challenge siguro ay yung mga intimate scenes kasi kailangan ng matinding cooperation nun sa bawat isa sa production staff and even sa actors. Pero good thing na yung production namin nag-undergo ng intimacy coordination workshop. So may intimacy coordinator kami sa set and also nagkaroon din kami ng Soji workshop from the crew to the cast. Ayun lang po.
Sa film po nahirapan po ba kayo?
Fiesta. So
What's
I
the
feel
most
na
challenging
yun yung
part?
pinakamahirap na eksena for
Everything
us to
was
pull off
mahirap
doon
because
sa
it
pic.
was my first parang
For City Martyrs naman, it was really a dream. Nakuha ko naman yung dream cast. I forgot to mention that kasama din po for parang cameo role. Kasama din po natin si Tatay Kiblat na Heli, tsaka si Love Diaz, si Angie Aquino. They were very generous to give their time
Napanood mo na yung
part of
movie?
the film. Basically, yung pinaka-challenge ko sa paggawa ng City Martyrs because ito ay yung mga halo ng archival materials, may animation, ay yung pagkuha ng mga classic films from LBN. And I just wanted to share that it took me 7 months to get permission for the LBN films, and I would like to also share that
it's a struggle
a week before
emotionally and
left us,
mentally
Direct Mike De Leon gave permission to lend his
lost son
films from LBN
was
Pictures.
lost in the
So,
tragedy of the Colgante Bridge.
because LBN Pictures produced many
Paano
of
ka
the
na-motivate?
pioneering women directors
May mga
films, so
pinagugutan
thank
ka
you
ba
Direct
para
Mike
dun sa character
for,
mo?
for this generosity.
Well, you can't help it. I
For
guess I
Child
also
Number
got to,
82, Anak ni Boy Kena,
as
yung
a
pinaka-challenging
actor
scene
because,
was
they
in the
know
sand dunes.
I'm also a parent, I'm a
Pangarap ko
father of a
na
son.
mag-shoot doon, pero it was also the production's
From that
nightmare.
background,
Sobrang init po sa sand dunes na muntik na po kaming malitsyon lahat.
I think all the rest na lang is just
feeling ko pa-heat stroke na ng konti. So after that day of shooting, pinaka po namin. Sabi ko bakit ako. At ilipat yung mga kukunan pang sinang gabi. dinadaan natin.
statement
And
in
also,
Lakeville.
another challenge
Political
was
statement in
to
Lakeville.
Consider na 5 days before
mount
martial
yung
law.
crowd scene with the thousands of talents. Kasi ang kwento po ay tungkol sa pagpila sa pagpila ni Child Number dito para makita yung dati.
The politic
Yung pinaka-challenging season. Abangan niyo po yung dalawang eksena.
that era.
Magandang
all the
hapon.
rest, I
Ang
think,
pinaka-challenging
naalala
naman sa
yung
Beijing dahil sinut namin siya sa Sibuyan Island at we were working against the forces and elements of nature. So literal kaming pinagyo. Tapos ang hirap palang maghanap ng mining site sa isang isla na nag-exist yung mining. So doon kami nahirapan. So kailangan namin magbungkot.
Pero paano ka nakuha dito? In-invite ka ba o nag-audition ka pa?
Kung paano po namin siya gagawing safe space dun sa actor namin na gumanap sa eksena. So yun po. And the other one is yung sa
Nagulat ka
bus
ba
scene.
na in-offer sa'yo?
Since medyo crucial po siya sa,
nagulat
sa
ako,
film.
in a sense
So
na-
yun, bad sound din po kami dun sa
not
eksena
really
yun. And
experienced again.
yung traffic na kinos po namin dun sa buong dalawang barangay na binuk po
Take their
namin. So
chance
yun po yung
on,
naging
ano,
challenging dun sa
I was-
film po namin.
Pero kumbaga parang nakaka-excite yung presence mo dito. Doon pa lang na last shot kanina sa Omnibus trailer, parang wow!
Muna kayo umalis. May we see a hand?
That's
There's a
a
hand
lot for my talk.
up for a question.
Pero iniisip niyo rin
Meron
po
ba?
ba na for
Going
the
once?
ang inyong performance?
Going twice.
Best actor po ba?
Naku, alam ko na mangyayari dyan.
No,
I-hijack niyo yung mga filmmakers
tell a
para
story
kausapin
and
isa-isa.
I just hope na
So, if we have no other questions from the press at this point,
just
may we
comes
request the
across
officials
some-
of the
that's all.
Cinemalaya, the Cultural Center of the Philippines, and
Mas
Shangri-La,
tayo na
and
pinangarap mo
FTCP
maging artista
to
rin,
on
maging
stage
lead
for a
actor
family
din.
picture first, and
not
then we
really. I'm
call the
comfortable,
actors.
behind
We
the
first have
scenes.
a picture with all of the filmmakers,
I'm
and
more
then
of
we'll have the
a
filmmakers for the
writer,
shorts,
more of a
and then the
director.
full length, and then with everybody.
May offer
Paano
ba sa
natin
inyo
itong
to join Cinemalaya?
May?
May offer ba sa
lectern
inyo
din.
to offer? Before this one.
Actually, there
So
were,
may
I
request
think
na
there are mga offers.
FDCP,
pero I
Cinemalaya,
think I was just
Shangri-La,
busy,
and
at
CCP
that time.
officials. Plus our festival director.
Try mo na rin ba mag-theater, acting, drama?
Are you open?
Susubukan mo?
Well, again, if I like the script, yeah, why not? Diba?
Kung kaya din
Invite na lang sa
ng
Eddie.
pa at para
Yes, I would like to
i-mount
invite
yung
everyone
excel. So
sa
yun yung
Cinemalaya
siguro
2025.
pwedeng abangan dun sa pelikula
I'm
yung
part of
mining scene.
Padamlagan movie.
Hello, good afternoon.
And,
Para naman
also,
po
thank
sa
you for,
Hydra, siguro ang
letting me
naging
have this
mahirap
opportunity
na
to,
sa aming naging
help
process
out
ay
in fleshing
yung
out
schedule ng actors, mahirap pag
good luck sa
salu-salubungin.
lahat ng kasali.
Yung eksena, okay,
Short films dito sa
yung may isa kaming eksena Chinese New Year, so may fireworks, pero dapat